Hello students, today I am going to teach you Moral Science lesson number 9. I will teach you two lessons 9 and 10. 9 lesson is give and take and 10th lesson is obeying rules. So let us get set to read our lesson number 9, give and take moral science. Page number 24. Give and take. God has given us everything. When you eat a fruit and smell a flower, say in your heart, "Thank you, God." Teacher gives you knowledge. You must give respect to your teachers. Mommy and daddy takes care of you. They give you food. They give you clothes. They give you money. You must obey them. You must love them. God has given you everything. Share some of these things with the poor. Share some of these things with friends. Salim and Mohan are good friends. Salim is rich and Mohan is poor. Salim always shares his toys and books with Mohan. They go to school together. They eat together. They play together. They love each other. If you like to share what others have, you should also learn to share your things with others. When you learn to share, you learn to love. So students, God has given us everything. God has given us fruits to eat, flowers to smell, so we need to thank God. We need to join our hands and thank God for everything. Teachers also gives us knowledge. We need to respect them. Parents, they care for us. They give us clothes, money, so we need to obey our parents. We need to obey our mommy and daddy, and we need to love them. God has given us everything, so we need to share some things with the poor. Share some things with friends. Here we have Salim and Mohan. Salim is rich, Mohan is very poor. And Salim gives some of his toys, books, shares with Mohan. So they go together to school. They share their tiffins. So Salim shares his tiffin to Mohan. So God has given you everything. We need to share with others. If you want others to give you, you also need to give. Learn to share your things with others. When you learn to share, we learn to love. When we share something to others, we learn to love. So give and take. So we give thanks to God. God has given us so many things. We also have to give our things to others, especially the poor. So here we have exercises, question answers I will give you on the worksheet. Now we'll do our activity. Fill in the blanks by taking suitable words from the lesson. First one, God has given us everything. Second one, teacher gives you knowledge. Mommy and daddy takes care of you. Share some of the things with the friends. Salim shares this toys with Mohan. So these are the fill in the blanks from the lesson. B. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. First one, God has given us nothing. It is wrong. God has given us everything. Second one, you must give respect to your teacher. Right. Mommy and daddy takes care of you. You must love them. Right. God has given you everything. Right. If you would like to share what others have, you should also learn to share your things with others. So now let us start with the other lesson. Lesson number 10, obeying rules. There is order in everything God had made. The sun rises in the east. and sets in the west. The moon shines at night. It guides the travelers at night. Winter comes when it should come. Summer comes only when it should. It rains when it is time to rain. So here we have summer, here we have winter, rainy day. Suppose the sun did not rise one day, there would be no day. There would be only night. Suppose the sun did not set on one day, the heat would be unbearable. Suppose the season did not change, the flowers, the fruits and the food grain would not grow. We know, therefore, that everything in the world happens according to a plan. This plan has been made by God. You also need to plan to live on this earth. Your parents teach you how to live on earth. Here are some rules. Do not throw rubbish on the road. Do not throw rubbish on the road. Do not throw things out of moving vehicles. Do not spit on the road. Walk on the left side of the road. Obey silence during prayers. Do not pluck flowers from public garden. Stand in line at the bus stop. Follow the rules of the school. There is a time to study. There is a time to play. There is a time to sleep. And there is time to wake up. So here students, this lesson speaks about obeying rules. There is order in everything what God has made. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon shines at night. So here we have the different seasons. Winter, summer, rainy season comes in time. They obey the plan of God. According to God's plans, the season comes according to their days. So rainy season comes certain months, summer comes certain months. So we have certain days and certain months for seasons. So here we have this plan, whole plan is made by God. So we also need to plan to live on this earth. And our parents teach us how to live on earth. How to obey our rules when we live on earth. Obeying rules in our house, obeying rules in public places, obeying rules in school. So here we have same. So you should not throw rubbish on the road. You should not spit on the road. You should not throw things, eatable things outside the vehicle. You should walk on the left side. You should not pluck from the garden, public garden flowers. They are for beauty. So you need to see them and admire them. We should not pluck them. Also standing in line at the bus stop, not pushing one another. So we need to obey the rules at home, on the road, in public places, in school. So also follow the rules of the school. So there is time to play. There is time to study. So we need to go according to the rule. Obey our rules faithfully. So there is time to sleep. And there is time to wake up. So our life all belongs to a plan, that is obeying rules. As the creation obeys the rules from God, in the same way we need to obey the rules when we live on earth. So obeying rules will help us to grow in a best human being. So you can, in this way, you can love one another, love God, and love yourself, and love others too. So you need to obey the rules and obey the plan of God. As the creation obeys the plan of God, we also as human beings, we need to obey the plan of God by obeying the rules of the earth. So let us do our exercises here. There is a time to eat meals. If we follow these rules, we can live nicely on earth. So here we have activity. Fill in the blanks by taking suitable words from the lesson. The sun rises in the east. The moon guides the travelers at night. Everything in the world happens according to a plan. You also need to plan to live on this earth. We should walk on the left of the road. B. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. We should throw rubbish on the road. Wrong. We should throw things out of the moving vehicles. Wrong. We should spit on the road. Wrong. We should observe silence during prayers. Right. We should not pluck flowers from public garden. Right. So students, first lesson number 9 I have taught you about give and take. So God has given us everything freely. So we need to also give it to share it to others. We need to obey our parents, obey our teachers, and love one another and share things with others. And the 10th lesson tells us about obeying rules. So we need to obey rules. As the creation, the sun, the moon, and the different season go according to the plan of God, in the same way we need to go according to the plan of God, obeying the rules. And if we obey the rules and if we follow the rules, we can live nicely on earth. So children, complete your exercises of lesson 9 and 10 on your moral science textbook. And worksheet I will give you later on all together. So study well, read these lessons, both 9 and 10, and complete your moral science textbook according to the video what I have said about the 2 lessons. So study well, be safe, and read the lessons. Bye.